Good morning, my beautiful people. I am coming to you from sunny Jamaica. I've partied all week and I have a lot of dirty clothes. So come do laundry with me the Jamaica way. As a matter of fact, let me correct myself. Let me say rural, the rural Jamaican way. Because you have persons here with their washing machine and all. Or should I say my childhood wash day? Because so much has changed. Fab, aka laundry soap. White one goes in first. Who remember how to wash clothes with hand? Get the clothes in your hand. Do like this, right? Back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. And it's script script. Back and forth, back and forth. So back and forth, back and forth. And then you add a little speed to it. You hear the script script? Oh, we love the script script sound. You bring it right around the clothes, right around. You want to create a pattern all around. You bring it. When I have a basin, I'll put this in. See, I'll put this in and catch some water in it. Give it a first rinse and then the final rinse out. You see me laughing? You think this was fun when I was younger? I used to hate it. Especially when you have to go to the river on a hot sunny day. And the river is not, for some people, the river is not close by the house. It's far away. But think about the time. Early morning, we go early in the morning. Hello. Is that now I'm trying to remember. Anna Papa. Help me now, man. How are you? Oh my god, you have grown into such a handsome young man. What grade are you in now? Grade 11, so soon grade 12. Wow, just leave it there somehow in there. We'll fine. Thank you so much. So you're doing a holiday job too? No? Just chilling today? Okay. You remember me? Okay. Yes, so early in the mornings we'd get up. We would normally go to the river in groups. So different families would come together. If you're friends, so my mother would go with a group of her friends. So get up early in the mornings and head to the river. And then by midday one, because it used to be a lot of clothes and no one is usually left behind. We go together and the children would take the clothes and sometimes hang them out so they start drying. If not, then we'd have to take them home and make several trips home. Finish the white ones. Not advertising anything. I got my fabric softener. I've already given it a second rinse, so this is the final rinse. Somebody tell me what's missing. Something that can make the clothes blue, much more wider rather. Something is missing. My whites are ready to go on the line. And if you watch my last video, this is my perfect spot. I need no clothespin bag wrap. Where's your favorite spot to put your clothespin? Who remember this? Okay, I'm halfway through the washing, but Lord, it's so hot. So you know what? Let's hydrate myself. For those who can't have any coconut like water right now, this glass is for you. Cheers. We're not done yet. Coconut water. Good for the data. You make your data walk and talk. What does that mean? I know the water run what liver make. Oh, bro. To make it walk and rephrase it. What liver? I don't know what that means. I hope not anything else. I wonder what they mean like that. No, run what liver good to make manish water. And you make your daughter walk and talk. Yes. Well, me a written there. Me a rephrase jelly water and jelly wash off the heart. Jelly water wash off the heart. Well, me say jelly water make your daughter walk and talk. I go finish those. Hey, me never like this one time me smile and wash clothes by hand. Jesus. See my friend there? She get jealous. After that stop wash. Word. It's been umpteen years you probably not do this in sir. Time. Yes, the whole family has joined it. In a while, so it's fun. Now it's all finished. Just allowing the sun and the wind to do their magic. Oh, I didn't ice the line. Mama Joe just coming from the farm. See, you see, read like a true farmer. Fresh June plum filled with vitamin C. Can I take it off? You just pick that. And is that where you're supposed to be chopping? Watch your hand. Thing missing is a straw. Hmm? You know what we need? Yes.